Howdy guys, Jet Scott here, and daggone the lighting, that's better. Gotta make myself look pale and purty. So, I wasn't really going to do an unboxing video today, but I had a subscriber contact me about a week ago named Lot or Lout, you know, we'll take a guess here, Burns, and well, I get these emails from time to time, and I don't like accepting gifts, but his email was one of those ones where he was afraid if I didn't accept this stuff, you know, his kids wouldn't appreciate it, get thrown in the dumpster. And I was like, man, if you really want to send the stuff to me, by all means do it. Here's my address, and more stuff for Dad's car, because Dad's car is the pretty one. And I've already opened the package, and that's why I'm doing this unboxing, is because the generosity is overwhelming. I mean, I don't even know how it's possible to accept a gift like this, let alone, I mean, just to give this kind of stuff away. And it humbles me that some people think that this little YouTube show is that cool to send this kind of stuff. But let's just get into. I'm gonna say your name is Lot, so hate me if I get it wrong. My full name is Jedediah, and that gets mispronounced all the time, so I feel your pain. Let's get into this bad boy. So I get a package, and I see 69, what could be charger, and you open it up, and that's the first thing I see. All gauges, 69 charger, 14,000 miles, $900, tick-tock tech, rally clock, speedo, oil, temp, amp gauge, and they're all crossed out, so I figure, okay, there's no way the man gives you a tick-tock tech. And underneath all the paper is we first get a really sweet calendar from Zeke's Food Market. I'm going to imagine that's Zeke. From 1959, that's actually really cool. We're going to hang that up in the office. And then here, I've had these OER boxes before. So, the first one we get is an old Mopar box. Mopar parts, NOS, tick-tock tech, 69 charger, clock works, great, serviced. So what in the world, we'll put this on Jezebel's messed up flywheel. And in here, we have, come on, let go there, what looks like a brand new, obviously it's a low mileage, clock and speedometer combo. Not a tick-tock tech, but look at that. That thing is like brand spanking new. Wow. I mean, that alone as a gift would be too much. And then there's still more boxes. So this one says temp, and look at that. Wow. That's instantly the nicest temperature gauge I have. And it works. It says right there. And I actually need, I can't remember which gauge doesn't work in Jezebel. What does this one say? It says nothing. It's a mystery box. An amp gauge. That also works. At least that's what the writing says. I believe it. Look at that. Look at how nice that gauge is. It's got a little bit of yellowing, but I love that yellowing. I don't like the bright white. Let's see here. This one says oil pressure on the bottom. And it's an oil pressure, and it says it works. I mean, I just can't imagine someone, I mean, I don't want anybody to throw the stuff away, but just to give the stuff away. Man, I can't, that's why I'm filming this. It's just, there's no way I can send you an email back that expresses how much I really appreciate that stuff. I mean, dude, if I ever do merch again, you earned a free care package. Let's see, speedometer with only 14,900 on dial, tested and lubed. And we have a speedometer in an excellent shape with 14,900 miles on it. I'm not even going to take it out of the plastic. That thing is freaking mint. Dude. And that leaves us with this box. And this is the box that'll blow you away just like it blew me away when I first opened it. TikTok Tech, clock serviced, tech works, dealer takeout, broken clock system, secondhand, but works fine. And inside of here is a freaking cherry TikTok Tech. I mean, just look at that. Wow. Dude, I can't thank you enough. That's freaking awesome. You're gonna make me get all freaking teary and stuff. I mean, dude, that's too much. It's just too much. I mean, I totally understand where you're coming from. I have a lot of friends myself who are afraid of their stuff getting thrown away because their kids don't appreciate it, or their kids aren't into the car hobby, or they're into another brand, and it's a legitimate fear, you know. It's not a good feeling to have that kind of thought in your head, and you don't want your stuff just to get thrown away. You want it to go to use. Neighbors pulling in. So, I mean, the stuff will go to good use, and I greatly appreciate it, brother. You won't be seeing this stuff posted up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, I'll tell you that much. This stuff's staying in the collection. It's going to get used for sure. And, dude, you're freaking amazing. And, like I said, if we ever get merch going again, flowing, you got a care package coming your way, because I should have your address on that box. So, brother, if I can ever do anything to return the favor besides a care package, you email me back. I sent you another email. You let me know what I can do, and I'll do it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this little short one. I just figured this deserved an actual little video spot thanking Lot Burns for all this stuff. And God, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm probably not. But thanks for watching this little one. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alrighty, guys. I actually just finished watching the video here featuring the stuff that Lot sent me. I still hope I'm saying your name right. I still haven't heard from the man. But it's really humbling, you know. The package yesterday was freaking cool, and just, you know, showing to Dad, because it's technically for Dad's car. It just shows me how incredible and how loyal and how freaking awesome you guys are. I know a lot of people say, you know, they appreciate what I do. I'm just a man who films what I do, trying to save memories, and I'm just fortunate enough to have the viewers I do. You guys are amazing, and I'll do anything I can to try and make the content worthwhile to you. And I don't know, I'm just dumbfounded by the generosity of people still. You know, being in the business I am, you deal with a lot of people who just want to get one over on you, and the fact that there are still good people out there hits right here. Right in the old thumper. And I appreciate everything. You guys are amazing. I couldn't ask for a better group of viewers. You know, if this channel never gained another subscriber or another, you know, new viewer, I'd be happy with just the core group we have. Because it's not about having the most subscribers, the most views. It's about having a community to me. And I love this community, and I wish we could develop it more. We could all, like, interact and stuff. It's impressive. You guys are awesome. You have my thanks and my seal of approval. And I appreciate those of you who watch this video. And we got some really cool stuff coming here pretty soon. I'm actually editing other videos right now, so I'm going to wrap this up, get this video out for you guys, and I will see you soon enough in the next one. So take care, and bye-bye.